Meaning of haphazardly.
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 Haphazardly. Haphazardly means in a random, unplanned and disorganized manner, lacking any clear structure or purpose. When something is done haphazardly, it is likely to be incomplete, messy and inefficient due to the lack of proper planning and execution. Haphazard work can lead to errors, accidents, and delays, causing problems for individuals and organizations alike. In short, haphazardly executed work often results in suboptimal outcomes, and it is important to avoid doing things haphazardly if you want to achieve success.